seemed to accept that he probably wasn't going to stay in office much longer, he then started doling out favors to his cronies, specifically doling out pardons to people like Michael Flynn, his former national security advisor, or George Papadopoulos, his campaign manager. And then we had a big fight over two really important bills. One was an almost $1 trillion stimulus package. The other was the annual legislation that basically authorizes the entire military budget for the next year. And you'll recall Trump vetoed the defense authorization bill, and that veto had to be overridden. He threatened to veto the stimulus bill at the very last moment, and Republicans who had been defeated in the election got to play an outsized role in deciding what would be in those bills, because of course they still had a Republican president even though he had been defeated. And so you had major legislation being shaped by people who had been voted out of office.